All right, what's up, everybody? Today, I want to talk to you about what I think is one of the most important things you need to be doing as a trader, which is keeping a trading journal. I started keeping a journal a couple of months ago, and my trading skills increased dramatically since then. You know by now that trading is mostly a psychological game. There's the technical aspect of it with the charts, the patterns, the moving averages, the risk percentages, the risk reward ratio, and all that other stuff. But once you learn about all those, it becomes more of a psychological battle against yourself. So first off, in addition to having a trading journal, every successful trader needs to have a trading plan. And this is tailored around your personality type and the type of money that you want to make every month. Also, the amount of money that you don't want to lose in a session or over the course of a week. So this will keep you in line on days where the market might not be as predictable as others. You don't want to end up losing all the money that you made on a string of losses. So the trading plan must be followed to a T every single time that you trade. And why I bring this up is there are times where you might not adhere to your trading plan the way that you should, and you end up losing more than your maximum daily loss. And this is where your trading journal comes in handy. So after every trading day, you write in the trading journal. Let's say your trading plan says your maximum daily loss is 5%, which is a reasonable amount. You traded a session and you ended up losing 20% of your account. That's obviously way more than the 5% that you set. So you need to figure out why you did that. There was some reason that you went over the limit so much. So when you write in your trading journal, you need to be honest with yourself. Why did you do that? What was going through your head when you were over risking? Were you feeling desperate to make money? Is there some large bill coming up that made you want to make more money than you were able to make that day? It clouded your judgment and it caused you to lose X amount of money. You need to get to the root of the problem that caused the loss. So a 20% loss is definitely not good, but you could recover from that within 4 or 5 responsible trading days. So it's not the end of the world, but obviously you can't be losing that much on a consistent basis. Remember, we're here to make money, not to lose money. So when you talk to yourself and you coach yourself through your trading journal, you will be getting to the root of the issue that is causing you to deviate from the trading plan so dramatically. So me personally, I was trading with really small accounts, $1,000, $2,000 accounts. I didn't feel like $50 or $100 a day was good enough for the amount of money, the amount of time and the amount of mental energy that I was putting into trading. So whether or not it was good enough didn't really matter. Your account size determines what you're able to responsibly make. End of story. There's really no way around that. You can't start over risking because you believe you should be making more money. You can't cheat the system. So this was a consistent problem for me. What I did personally to correct this issue was I started working with a prop firm. So they gave me more capital to trade with than I would have been able to trade with of my own money. So just like that, the problem was solved. And now I feel comfortable using the proper amount of risk, since my account size is now big enough to make me the amount of money that I feel that I should be making. And I had other smaller issues other than that. I was able to fix all of my trading issues through having a trading plan and using the trading journal to keep myself in line, making sure I was trading in a way that is profitable and sustainable. You will come across major issues in your own trading, and you'll have to use these tools to overcome them in order to start making consistent profits. When you're trading with a psychological block like the ones I mentioned earlier, all it's going to lead to is losses and possibly even blown accounts. So basically, you need to fix the problems so that you can carry on making money. All right. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something new. If you're interested in learning even more about Forex trading, go to www.ccxcollective.com and check out the Profitable Forex Trading course. Literally everything you need to know about Forex trading is covered, including the topics I cover in these YouTube videos, but even more in depth. Also, make sure you follow me on the socials, my Instagram, my Twitter, and I'll see you guys later.